Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to stream on Kick live streaming app. Now if you want to stream on Kick live streaming app but you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. Now to stream on Kick from your mobile, Kick doesn't have an inbuilt mobile streaming feature, but you can use the Streamlabs mobile. Now to do so, you need to install the Streamlabs mobile on your device, and after that you need to open the app, and here you will see the option of login with Streamlabs ID or login with different platforms. So you may select the option of Twitch, YouTube, Facebook, TikTok and all other things. So to stream from Kick, click on the option of Kick, which is written there. So after that you need to log in with the Kick account which you have created. So I'll simply log in with my Apple ID. Now after logging in, you need to click on the option of settings, and from there you need to select the streaming platform and select custom RTMP. After that you need to enter the Kick RTMP URL and stream key for your Kick creator dashboard. So from there you may adjust the camera settings by if you are choosing camera, or if in real life streaming then you may choose the option of camera, but if you are streaming game then you may choose the option of screen capture, and you may adjust the bitrate and resolutions for stable stream. So after that you need to click on the option of go live in Streamlabs, and you need to go to the Kick creator dashboard and you need to click on the option of go live. Now you may set up your stream details and you may start broadcasting by using the phone. So that's it. That's how you can stream on Kick live streaming app from your mobile. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.